So I had some leftover kefir that I made, and I was thinking, what can I make with it? What goes with yogurt? Frozen yogurt, yogurt-based smoothie. Don't really have much in the garden. Lots of things growing, but not much maturing. Pawpaw, yogurt, not quite sure. And then it dawned on me. Passion fruits. Passion fruits. So here I am trying to find some passion fruits. I got a really green one. Got lots of things growing. But do we have anything to actually make a smoothie with? More green ones. It's my startup food forest. Looks really good from the gate, but the further in you go, the more barren it becomes. It's mostly rock. But doing our best. Moringa over there, Highland cabbage, favorite. The veggie patch doesn't seem to want to take off. But back to the passion fruit hunt. Passion fruit hunt. No. No. Another couple of weeks maybe. But not just yet. What should I make for the kefir smoothie? Turn to Google. Ask Mr. Google. Get the pawpaw while I'm here. No. You think that with the hive just there, lots of pollination, lots of fruits, but not so. And all these little trees, they're all gonna be soursops. There's a soursop forest and a Brazilian cherry forest. That will need another 5 years. So fun to plan. Pawpaws everywhere. Overripe. We brought a basket. Okay. Alright, well maybe kefir pawpaw smoothie it is. Kind of boring. I can't reach that one. Try to shake it. Shake it. No. Alright, and I guess I'll finish up on this. Oh, show you my pride and joy of the garden. This thing. I'm not quite sure what it is. Might just be a mango. I was so happy thinking it was gonna be a star apple when I planted it, but star apples are normally really small trees. But this is grown ridiculously fast. I moved here about 8 years ago. Most trees, like at most, is this avocado. A couple of meters. This guy is taller than everybody else in pretty sure less than 2 years. So we'll see. We'll see what it produces. Like a cow's. Ooh, chilies. Don't mind if I do. Haven't had a chili in a while. I'll make a cow. Yeah. So much fun. Finally, the garden is fun. Alright. So hopefully one day all of this is gonna be a food forest. But I'm not really sure how, since as you can see it's mostly rock. Doing our best. Pawpaw grows. Pumpkin grows. Kind of tired of fighting the weeds every year. And get them out and they come back. Planted some purslane. Purslane's edible too. Ooh. My phone says it's getting too hot in the sun. So I will love you and leave you. It was a nice walkthrough. Hopefully you can hear me. And maybe next time we'll do a walkthrough of that chicken area over there. Okay?